Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab. This will involve loosening or removing the body mounts bushings. Remove the fuel tank straps and fuel tank. Begin by cutting out the factory forward fuel tank crossmember. This crossmember is designed to fit flush with the outside walls of your frame. Unless you are replacing the factory body mounts attached to the factory crossmember, you will be separating the mounts from the crossmember. Your cut line will be drawn vertically from the outside wall of your frame. It is suggested to leave some material towards the inside of the frame to allow for iterative trimming to achieve the tightest fit between the new crossmember and your factory body mounts. You can cut your crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. After removing your crossmember, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Next, hold the replacement forward gas tank crossmember up to the frame and mark off the section of the body mount that needs to be removed for the crossmember to fit properly. We recommend measuring it twice to ensure that you're cutting the right amount of material. Then, cut off the marked section of your body mount. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide your replacement crossmember into place, lining it up with your two rear body mounts. Tap it into place with a hammer. Once you have your crossmember in place, follow proper welding procedures and tack weld your crossmember to the frame. Then, weld the part on fully. If you decided to remove your rear body mounts, we show you how to reinstall them with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Step 5. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your fuel tank strap, and your body mounts, bolt and bushing. Then you're done.